My name is Brendan Hamilton with Waterman Plumbing. We are at 1514 North 59th Terrace in Hollywood, Florida. And we are doing a camera inspection. From my understanding, the customer has tiles that are rising in the house. And ICA said to do a camera inspection and a mapping to replace all the cast iron pipes in the house. So we're going to kind of get an idea of the condition of the pipes and see what's going on here. This is the only stack on the roof, so this will be the only point of entrance. It's like okay, well, good news is I was able to make it past that point. Let's see if I can get this camera to clear up. Okay, so this is the entrance of the septic tank. I'm just gonna try to pull back kind of slow, just so we can get a good view of the pipe. Seems like there's a belly here, and if I keep going back, let's see. Yeah, that's this almost looks like PVC here. Yeah, so this is PVC. Let's see, so right now we're at 23 feet 4 inches. Well, right now we're at roughly 23 feet. Let's see how far it goes. To 27 feet, so it's about a 4-foot belly. And like I said, this is all PVC there. And there's the cast iron. And this is where it is questionable. It almost seems like the bottom of the cast iron pipe rotted out. It's pretty difficult to get past that spot there. I'm pushing and pushing and pushing, nothing happens. I kind of have to skip over it real quick. I'm trying to clear this camera lens so we can continue with our visibility's not that great. It looks like your standard cast iron pipe, except for that part there. And now we're back in the vertical stack. So okay, so if you're on the roof, here's the stack here. There's the front yard. Here's the stack, and the septic tank is going to be on the left side of the house. Well, not sure how well you can see where the septic tank location is, but it's right down in there. There's a piece of wood on the ground. That piece of wood is going to be, right where the septic tank is. So that will conclude our inspection for today. And I'm going to get some other footage and pictures and videos of things that we may need. And get to work on an estimate.